Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to place a limit order on the Crypto.com exchange to buy or sell at your specific target price. First, open the Crypto.com app and tap on the Exchange tab at the bottom. Make sure you have funds in your exchange wallet for the trade. Next, search for and select the trading pair you want, for example, BTC/USDT. Then, on the trading interface, find the order panel, usually on the right or left side. Ensure the order type is set to limit. After that, enter your desired price per coin in the price field. The platform will show the current market price for reference. Then, enter the amount of the asset you wish to buy or sell in the amount field. Finally, review all the details. To place the buy order, click the Buy BTC button, it will be green. To place a sell order, click the Sell BTC button, it will be red. Your limit order is now active and will fill if the market reaches your price. You can view your open orders in the Open Orders section. If this guide helped you execute your trading strategy, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.